like to thank all these students who could make it to the fair today. It was a grand success as mentioned by the universities and students. The reason we do this fair is because a lot of times students don't see universities face to face and applications take around 6 to 8 weeks to get a decision, but when students come to this fair, they could discuss their profile, interact with universities and get a decision on the spot, which saves a lot of time, and sometimes they also get scholarships. So this fair has been very successful.
Yeah, it was a great platform for the students to directly interact with the universities. They had the option to apply to more than 80 plus universities. So they had a direct interaction with the universities, so they could clarify their doubts on what's the course structure, fees, scholarship. So they have taken all the in-depth information from the university officials.
It was really great attending AEC Fair today. It was a really busy event, and we've had lots of good quality students. We've got a long-standing partnership with AEC Consultancy.
This has been 4 to 5 years we are now working with AEC, and it's a wonderful experience. The events went well. We met a lot of prospective students for this intake, and high potential, high quality students. All are very well filtered by the AEC staff. Most of them are aware of the program they are looking for. Piyush is one of our alumni, so I know he knows about Leeds very well. So the students and applicants are well prepared with the courses and our university information.
I would like to thank the AEC staff and especially Piyush for organizing such an excellent event. The students were fabulous. They just had queries which were very, very relevant.
And Abroad Education Consultant is an authorized agent or partner of George Brown. So if you would like to apply to any of our programs, you can contact Abroad Education Consultant, and they are located in various parts of India.
AEC are our preferred partner in Delhi, so feel free to get in touch with them if you have any questions about admissions at Leicester. We do offer a lot of scholarships, up to 28% for a few courses, so if you have good marks, get in touch with us.
I think their team of counselors are really professional. I think Piyush does a lot of hand-holding. He himself has a finger on the pulse of the business.
Leading business, science and humanities and social sciences. I've been working with AEC for over 9 years now, since I've been in the university. I visit the office on a regular basis. I know the counsellors across the country, and this is, I think, my 5th event I've attended now, and as you can probably see, I look very tired because the event was incredibly busy. Lots of excellent students, great quality, and I look forward to doing the event again in the future.
My overall experience and my impression of AEC is very good. I've been working with this agency for a number of years now, and I have to say I'm really impressed with the level of organization and the preparation that goes. So I'd like to thank AEC for having me here today. It's been a great experience. Thank you very much.
Education fair is amazing. It cleared many queries of mine. It opened many options, especially in UK and Canada. It was good overall. The experience was very great.
Hi, it was a really nice initiative by AEC, and I got exposure on all the universities from the world, and it is very interesting and knowledgeable experience. I hope this will help my son choose a better future college. Thank you.
It was an amazing experience.
मैं AEC से पिछले 1 साल से एसोसिएटेड हूँ. मेरी डॉटर 12th क्लास में पढ़ रही है. पढ़ती थी, अभी उसने 12th क्लास कंप्लीट किया. AEC से उसका एक बाहर जाने का सपना था कि मेरे को पढ़ाई करने के लिए बाहर जाना है. तो हम लोग पीयूष से मिले और AEC से कांटेक्ट किया. पिछले हमने जो सारा एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस है वो AEC के थ्रू ही किया, और उसको AEC ने अच्छे कैंपसेस और कोर्सेज सेलेक्ट करने में हेल्प किया, एंड शी हैज़ गॉट ऑफर्स फ्रॉम गुड यूनिवर्सिटीज अब्रॉड. ओवरऑल इट हैज़ बीन अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद AEC.
We are highly satisfied with the company.
Good thing is so well organized that there is pre-counseling session, then there is meeting the universities, and there is post-counseling session. So I mean, it's a day very well spent. Thank you.
This fair was very useful to me.
At AEC, we always believe that we give the right guidance so that student gets into the best university, and I'm sure we lived up to our tagline today. Thank you so much.